Hi, David is here from Time. This is a guide how to actually set up Time and how to use the settings of Time. So we'll start with the global settings. You can get there by just clicking on user pick. Here's my user pick, and then go into settings. Pretty simple. And then you have a few things there. So I'll talk about, this is the team time zone. Team time zone is your where the head offices or the headquarters are. So I always thought about it like Time is the product that remote team can utilize. You can utilize within your office, but we always thought about it as the product for a remote team, for a global team. So with the team time zone means that you have to select a certain time zone. I always say like HQ time zone, and all your reporting will be relevant towards your team time zone. So that's what it is. 12 or 24 hours time format is pretty straightforward. So you can select one of the languages that you like. Security contact, just in case an unlikely event of a data breach will let you know straight away. And then your billing contact, but also you can find the billing contact under billing. So we'll remove this field shortly. And permissions, so we can edit roles and change options. Audience moderators, just owners. And then this is an important one, allow users to update timesheets. So if you select that one, that means if you go into the report and if every person, if they'll go into dashboards or if they'll go into time tracking, and then they'll click on their own profile, and then out of that profile you could click on edit, and then you can edit the description and the time. But once you'll do that, it'll leave a timestamp, so you'd see exactly who edited that and when. So you wouldn't be able to make some change in that you can't really trace back, but it's just a nice thing to have. So make sure that you have that particular option selected if you'd like your team to be able to update the timesheet. Moderators can do that anytime anyway. So notification is maximum task time. So when you get, and maximum task times means when you have been working on the same task for a long time, you'll receive a notification saying like, "Hi, would you like to switch to another task?" Or, "Hey, did you forget about the timer?" and things like that. So you can set the time there where you can leave it unlimited, so you never get a notification. Again, maximum break time, exactly the same. If you're on break, it'll reach out to you saying like, "Hi, looks like you're on break for quite a long time." And then unsubscribe from notifications. You can go there and unsubscribe if you like. This is personal, so you can unsubscribe if you don't feel like receiving those notifications. Every team member can do the same. Again, unsubscribe from your invoice notifications and lift request notifications. So each person can do that separately. Time tracking is your global dashboard, and then not global dashboard, it's your emails that you receive with the summary of all the tracking activities. You just set the separated by comma all the emails that you need to receive those reports to, and then auto status is when you set that up. And for example, if you set away, it'll just put emoji that you're away, like a palm tree, or if you're on break, it'll just put an emoji of a sandwich. And if you work, it'll put something else. If it's finished, it'll just put a red cross. So that done automatically, but you have to enable that first, and then every person will have to enable that for themselves. Dashboard is your interactive dashboard, so you can copy the link and then access that dashboard, which looks like this. So it'll be something like this, but if you'd select that this particular dashboard will be public, so you can copy the link and then anyone can access that, and obviously private will require Slack login. Standups is a nice feature that we have, and how you set it up. So first of all, you can enable stand-ups, and then you select 3 or how many questions you'd like for the person to reply back when they start their day. So when they do that /T start or /T and put a task description, that starts their day, and they'll receive 3 questions, 2 questions, 1 question that they have to reply back. It's not mandatory, but it's nice to have, and this information would appear in the report as well. So we'll just keep it that way. So what have you done from yesterday, what will you today, and do you have any blockers? That's what we do in our company. And then you can broadcast those responses to a specific channel. You can disable that. It's no pressure. Invoices, again, really simple to set up. Enable, disable, and then you can select the currency that you'd like. For now, it's just fixed currency, but later on we might make that a bit of a custom. Company holidays. This comes out of our leave feature, and we probably will redo this section really shortly, but I'll leave the guide how to set it up anyway. So you add all your holidays here, and when a person sends a request for annual leave, we'll exclude those ones out of the, so those days will not be counted. And also of the company holiday coming up, you'll receive a notification, hey, company holiday's coming up. So you can add as many as you like, but just remember, this is for the current year. So for next year, you'll have to add the new ones. And danger zone, pretty self-explanatory. If you'd like to reset the whole data back to zero and start from scratch, here's your reset. If you'd like to delete your account, no way you can recover it back, go ahead and delete it. I mean, you have, if you delete your account and, for example, you won't be able to install the bot again for some reason, you have to get back to us, because we remove all information about you, everything. So there's nothing you can recover from that event. So even if you reach out to us to recover that information, we can't help you. But if you can't reinstall the product after you delete your account, we might be able to help you and just have a look if some token or something hasn't been deleted or something like that. Anyway, so I've touched base on all the settings. I'll split this video into smaller videos and just place as the link on every place of those settings. If you have any questions, just get back to me. It's david@timebot.chat. Have a great day, and thanks for using our product. Bye-bye.